Hello, I'm Yoon Gi Kim, and I'm going to talk about my final project on ZARA. I'll focus on SWOT analysis on my presentation. Before I go into SWOT analysis, I'll briefly talk about ZARA. ZARA is one of the biggest international fashion companies around the world. ZARA is a brand of the Spanish retail group Inditex. Inditex is the world's largest fashion group, which owns other fashion brands such as Pull&Bear, Stradivarius, and Zara Home. And ZARA was founded in 1975 by Amencio Ortega and Rosalia Mera. Today, Ortega is ranked as the fourth richest person in the world by Forbes. ZARA used a strategy such as environmental friendly strategy, fast fashion trend, minimum advertising, and selecting prime retail locations to broaden its business throughout the world. The store proved to be a success in the early 1980s, and Ortega began opening more ZARA stores throughout Spain. The world's largest apparel retailer, ZARA, currently has over 2,000 stores across 88 countries. ZARA was described by Louis Vuitton fashion director Daniel Piet as possibly the most innovative and devastating retailer in the world. And also, ZARA has been described as a Spanish success story by CNN. From now on, I'll talk about the SWOT analysis on ZARA. First, I'll start with strengths. The first is name value. ZARA has high brand recognition. Since it is located throughout 88 countries, brand has its reputation as international apparel shop. And second is the minimum advertisement. Compared to other competitors like Uniqlo and H&M, ZARA spends significantly less capital on advertising. By putting more emphasis on customers, ZARA believes in word-of-mouth strategy will bring more profits. Third is limited number of suppliers. ZARA utilizes a limited number of suppliers. Because of this fact, it is able to build and maintain successful relationships over a long period of time with suppliers. And last is high-tech technology. ZARA has strong IT system for distribution. ZARA invested in high-tech technology long before its competitors. Focusing on just-in-time manufacturing, it has mastered its production strategy and eliminated much of its risk exposure to failed fashion designs. So let's move on to weakness. So first, for ZARA, new advertisement strategy is needed. Even though ZARA's minimum advertisement strategy is working well, it could have potentially restricted its brand recognition with lack of print and television advertising. Its competitors who focus strongly on advertisement are sometimes more recognizable in the industry. So for example, we can easily detect Uniqlo's printing advertisement at most of Seoul bus stop that carries message describing Uniqlo is very comfortable. The second is uniformly designed apparel. ZARA's design styles are consistent from country to country. This strategy can be effective when customers in one country wish to purchase the same products in another place. However, the brand is limited in culturally diverse markets. H&M, for instance, focuses on appealing to the many cultural differences its customers provide, and consequently provides different product lines in different countries. So last is limited suppliers. ZARA continues to keep a limited number of suppliers to develop strong relationships. However, as ZARA continues to expand, this can become weakness. ZARA should develop new relationships in other areas close to new markets to reduce costs and find greater access channels. I'll discuss about opportunities from now on. Strategic business agreement. As ZARA continues its global expansion, strategic business agreements will enable ZARA to find greater presence abroad. ZARA can provide opportunities for foreign investors and enable greater communications and relationships with foreign markets. As other companies recognize the success of the fast fashion model, they may be more apt to ask for partnership with ZARA. And second is the store locations. Finding ideal locations in new countries provides the opportunity to gain valuable real estate. Since the window displays is critical in Zara's business model, finding new location can become opportunity for Zara. By introducing stores in the most fashion-forward locations, Zara may be able to increase its assets. Last is new markets, new customers. Zara must continue its market research to provide the products that its customers want and need. For example, Zara has its own line for men, women, and kids, so it can start up a new business on sportswear. Last but not least, threats. So first is unexpected economic condition. Expanding globally might face the risk of devaluation of a currency. As Zara expands to less developed countries, exchange rates and economic shifts can become a barrier. Last is the potential competitors. As mega stores continue to gain popularity, Zara might have to compete not only with other fast fashion brands, but also with cheap and bulk producing stores such as Costco or Walmart in the near future. So this is all for my presentation about Zara, and thank you for listening.